Let's learn how to handle a button press event in a new React Native project. Start by creating a new React Native project. Since the status bar is no longer needed, it can be removed. To add a button, you need to import it first. Create the button with a title. Press me. Now that the button is visible, let's create a function to handle the button press event. We'll name it handleButtonPress. Inside this function, we can log a message, console.log, button pressed. Set up an onPress event on the button and call the handleButtonPress function. Upon clicking the button, the log message will be displayed. Let's take it a step further and create a state variable to display a changing value on button press. To achieve this, import and use the useState hook. Create a state variable called displayText, and a function setDisplayText to update it. Initially, set displayText to the desired text. Replace the initial text with displayText to dynamically display the state variable. The useState hook is called with an initial value as an argument, which is displayed when the button is pressed. You can change the displayed text by calling the setDisplayText function with the desired value when the button is pressed. Now, let's create an input text field to display the value entered upon button press. Create a text input with a placeholder like enter a text. Add styles to improve the appearance of the input field. Set up an onChangeText event for the text input and create a function. Handle text change, which takes the entered text as a parameter. Modify the function to log the entered text. Use the useState hook again to create a state variable named inputValue, initially set to null, and a function setInputValue to update it. In the handle text change function, call setInputValue with the entered text to update the state. Finally, display the entered value on button press by passing input value as a parameter. Run the application to see how button press events work. Thank you for watching.